Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Zdravo svima I dobrodošli na moj YouTube kanal. I'm Jelena, a Serbian language teacher, native speaker, and here I'm going to talk about Serbian language, everyday life in Serbia and all across the Balkans. I love to travel and explore, and I will show you different places around Serbia and region combined with short language lessons. So this channel is for those who want to learn Serbian through interesting topics including our culture, tradition and everyday life. If you're planning to learn Serbian, if you're coming to Serbia to visit or live here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy. Uživajte!